Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing an LED rider backpack from Gelrova. Let's get to it. Now I do have on my face a bit of a grin because I've been playing with it throughout the day, checking out the little graphics and all that and getting the app to work. It's wild. This thing is wild. So anyway, it comes in this nice little box. It actually came inside this bag. As a matter of fact, not sure that you will use it again. However, it's nice to have. Put this to the side. And the main event of the hour, here it is, guys. This thing is wild. So before I jump into the app, show you guys how it all works. Let me show you guys the basics of the backpack. Now, this has plenty of space to fit a helmet itself. As you guys can see, it can definitely fit a helmet. This is the battery. Backup that I'm currently using. This requires an external battery backup, and thankfully these days they're quite inexpensive, so you can get one. Now, before you ask why didn't Gelrova included it with a built-in battery, well, here's an example. You guys see this nice little helmet? This is a shark. It has an LED on the back, right? You know how many times I charge this thing? It's dead? Yeah. Proprietary built-in batteries don't usually last that long. So it is actually, in my own personal opinion and observation, that they chose this route. It is more reliable. I think I have this battery backup for like 5 years with me. I forgot the name of the brand. I mean, it's better this way, as a matter of fact. And you get to have your battery backup with you. Now, it's got plenty of pockets. You can put actually a small laptop in here. Plenty of pockets to put in stuff. Battery backup right here. And of course, as I mentioned, the helmet itself. So yeah, that's about right. Go ahead and close it. This thing is wild. Wait till I show you guys the application. I mean, the thing is just currently cycling through a bunch of bunch of images right now. But I just want to show you guys the functionality of it. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be going right into a place called Wandering Wiregrass in the Ocala National Forest. That's where I'm going to go ahead and test this thing and see how comfortable it is. I've already tried it and adjusted the strap so it'll fit me. But tomorrow, I'm going riding. So make sure I'll show you guys, it's with you. It almost becomes part of you because of the straps. So that's actually quite nice. So now that I have shown you the basics of it, let me go ahead and do like a screen recording and show you guys what it looks like. Get to that. All right, so the application you're going to need, it's called Loy Eyes. So we're gonna go into the App Store. Just type in Loy Eyes. And that one on the top, that is the one you want to actually download. Once it is downloaded, let me move the little recorder thing on the side here. That's better. And up here, it immediately once you open the app, it'll actually force you to connect via Bluetooth. It'll actually show it up. But once it is connected, you're ready to go. It starts playing the random colors, as you guys can see, the random hues and all that. In here, I have actually uploaded a couple of my own. I got my name on it, Eric Martin Sucret. I like anime a lot, and there's quite a few in here. I uploaded a couple of my own, One Punch Man, Saitama, and Genos, and it's got a bunch of little eyes, as you guys can see. I like these ones. Yeah, those are cool. I think these are, whatchamacallit, Evangelion, Dormammu, I'm here to bargain. The little eyeballs. Oh man, this thing is wild. I like these. I'm gonna use these. No, actually no, I lied. I'm gonna use this one. It's over 9,000. I'm gonna use that one outside just because it's dark right now outside. It's like 10 o'clock right now p.m. And I'm gonna try those. Those look so sick. I mean, the thing is wild. So from here, below you see material and DIY. Under material, there's already a bunch of preloaded images that you guys can use. There's quite a few, as a matter of fact, as you can see. All you gotta do is pick and choose and add it to the little roster. Then you can actually go back and go on the DIY. This is where I created my name. Here's the one. I created that one. So you select a new one. DIY text if you want to use text. Pictures and animation if you want to add the pictures like I showed you earlier, the little One Punch Man and Genos and Saitama. And cloud material. Cloud material has a bunch of images that you can download. There's quite a few, as a matter of fact. There's quite a lot. Different colors, different eyeballs. I swear, it's just, it's wild, man. I liked it. I really, really liked it. So that's pretty much it. As a matter of fact, again, text. If you want to actually create your own, you can type whatever you want. Go. Something like that, you know? And you can give it a color, different hues, different combinations. The thing is wild. I really, really like it. So what I'm gonna do right now is, let me go ahead and quit the screen recorder. I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and show you guys what it looks like, you know, how bright it is. Let me get to work on that. This is just a quick demonstration of how it looks like at night. You guys can see how bright it is. I currently have it cycling through the different images right now. And yeah. Oh my gosh. This thing is just wild, man. I like it. All right. Oh, what comes up next is the outdoors test to see how it handles. Okay, everybody, I'm currently in a place called Wandering Wiregrass, as you guys will see in the corner. This is one of my go-to trails to go riding. And right now, I got the bag right here set up on the trailer. The eyes I'm running right now are the Vegeta ones, you know, over 9,000. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up. I'm gonna be using the helmet today, so I'm gonna be taking some of my personal items with me right here. Got a tire inflator, a couple of pieces of camera gear that I'm taking with me, that sort of deal, and I close it up, get it strapped on, and get riding. This is the practical test to see how comfortable it is. Then get to work. Okay, I have you guys now in front of the ATV. Eventually I'm gonna change you guys to the front so you can see some of the trails. Well, after much trail riding, as you guys saw some of the footage, I have to say that the LED Rider backpack from Gelrova is a success. It's over 9,000. I love that thing. It is comfortable. Now you do feel it, okay? I mean, it's a backpack. It's gonna be on your back. You're gonna feel it. It's not like it's gonna be floating like a cloud. However, it has plenty of cushions on the back to keep you comfortable. I've been riding with it. It didn't bother me one bit, and I've done several miles out here. And there's lots of whoops and ups and downs in this trail, so it works. Good job, Gelrova. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna put links of this above and below. I also checked their Amazon store. They have tons of different choices, from regular backpacks, just traveling backpacks with the LEDs. I saw the one that goes across like this. I put a couple of pictures on the screen. They look pretty cool. But so far for riding, this thing does the job. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.